Hello everyone, my fifth project is almost at the end. I'm going to pass through a test phase where I'm going to test the potentiality of that project because as you know, as you see, PIF project is a sensor for the industrial environment for a predict machinery failure, so it's not like a thing that I can do in 2 days. So I want to talk with you about my old project that I never documented, so I don't have much photos because I was not kind of person. I'm pretty shy in front of camera, so as you see, I'm not comfortable for now. Maybe one day. So let's go talk about REVERS. REVERS is a variable project I have right there, and is always based on ESP32, and it's made for like actually do what your phone do, but in a simpler way with long life battery, and as you see is a bracelet actually, so you can wear it. This is first model. The second one I actually wear it right now because I using it in my real day life. So let's talk about this thing. Okay, as I showed you before, this is the first version that have the first model of the ESP that I add on, and the first feature that I give some buttons, as you can see here, and the display that is already integrated on the board, and this is like the button where you have to push for upgrade the device, and here we have the board port where you can upgrade the new software, and here we have, as I explained you, the power switch, the USB-C port for recharge the device. You have two batteries, one that is inside and another is on the bottom, and yeah, this was my first idea of the concept for wearing device of this kind. This is the second one. Okay, as you can see, you have much more features on the board, on the device, and as you can see, first of all is the camera and the bigger display. You have touch display in this version, as you can see, and you have the speaker, microphone inside, and always buttons, because I like buttons more than touch screen, but I think have touch screen is pretty useful in some conditions. To explore more other useful items on the device, you can use the display. For example, you have a bunch of apps that are adding on. You have connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, for example. As you can see, you have a lot of features. You can scan for the Wi-Fi. You have the back button physically, or maybe over there inside the display. So you have both features, buttons and touch. You have calendar, where you can see, for example, your appointment, or notification, Bluetooth. For example, right now I haven't, but the phone, you can connect your phone, you can see your notification, your phone call, and for example, new features that I add are these, that you can test the Wi-Fi environment, and you can, for example, scan and test for pockets and other, I think, useful stuff like you used to with eFlipper Zero. But what I saw in this board, you unfortunately haven't the features to see the pockets on the Wi-Fi net, because for safety, for you haven't this optionality, so you have to add an external board for these features that I will maybe add in the third version of this device. As I told you, you have an external battery pack that you extract pretty easily, and after you insert, and this version have the Type-C charging board, where you can charge the battery without need external other boards for the rechargement. And as you can see, you have this, I found it on the internet, is Pago pin. So you have pretty good contact with the battery and with the device, and you don't lose any other power for the resistance. Right now, for efficiency that I give to the software and the device, I am reach kinda almost 2 days of usage of this device. Fully usage, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth always connected is pretty good, I think. And simple 3D printer and some tools that I have is pretty actually good result, because yeah, is almost could be some kind of industrial product. I have to add some other features, because I see that this device have some thing that I can add. For example, right now I was testing if I can give like a Flipper Zero some feature like that for exploring the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth security test, and I see that this model of ESP32 don't have that capability for connect to and execute some command. As you know, if you use Linux, you need, for example, a special Wi-Fi card for execute special command for read buckets on the net, and it's the same case where you can't execute some commands and you can't see the pockets on the Wi-Fi environment. But I hope that you like my project, because I like it. and I actually want if you can give me your honest opinion on it, and maybe you can give me suggestion what can I add on this device. Maybe health meter like in a modern smartwatch for see your heart rate, oximeter, and some kind of stuff. And thank you for watching, and we see you next time.